Jesus, I don't know how to get this hair. Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I almost said welcome back because technically speaking, this isn't my first YouTube video, but I did decide to just redo my channel and put out content that I would be happy with and that I would be happy showing you guys basically. And I also realized that I didn't really do an intro video when I started, and I just kind of went right ahead into the makeup, and I just didn't even tell you guys my name properly, didn't even tell you guys what I'm about, and I just decided that you guys would figure it out. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Alright, so who am I and why did I decide to start a YouTube channel? My name is Tepiwa. I am 22 years old and I am a self-taught makeup artist. I decided to start a YouTube channel because I think I just wanted to learn as much as I wanted to share what I do know in terms of makeup. I've only been doing makeup for under 2 years now. I think professionally, and I say professionally because that's how long I've actually been getting paid for my services. So in my opinion, that's how long I've officially been doing makeup. And I've learned a couple of things over the past few couple of months because I've gotten to work with so many different people, so many different characters, so many different skin tones, skin types, preferences, and I just wanted to share what I've learned. And it's not much. I've got so much to learn. I'm just looking forward to being able to document my journey here on YouTube. I would love to branch out into skincare. I want to share what I know about because like I said, I have problem skin, so you guys can imagine I've tried almost so many things, not almost everything, because there's way too many skincare things out there for me to try all of them. For me to have tried all of them, but I have tried quite a couple of different skincare routines, natural, chemical, scientific, you name it. It's been tried. So if you guys want me to share that with you, I'd be more than willing to do so. I also would like to branch out into doing DIY skincare and DIY hair care. So if you guys want to see a lot more of those videos, just let me know and I'll definitely pen things down and figure out what I can do in order to bring out really great content. Alright, so if you guys this is just probably gonna be the most boring video I upload, but if you guys want to see more of my face, if you guys want to know more about the makeup that I do and everything, just please subscribe to my channel and please press that notification bell so that you guys get notifications every time I upload a new video. And I promise that this time I'm definitely gonna try and stay consistent because I have found what works for me, and it's taking me a bit, but now that I feel like I'm happier, I feel like I can do more without being pretentious, I think. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.